So where can our viewers go to learn more or perhaps subscribe to Repco Smartquote?
So repcotrade.com.au has pages dedicated to talking more about Smartquote, a lot of the other features that we have there, as well as updates that we make to the system to continue and improve. But a really great resource is actually talking to our Repco team, either your account manager or your store team. Our account managers have Smartquote installed on their iPads. They can actually show you in your workshop and do a demo, run you through a car that's on the hoist and show you exactly how to do it. And you can line it up exactly with what you're doing in the workshop today versus this is what it could look like in future. The final thing is subscribe for a trial. We have a 30-day free trial, full system capability, and we don't lock anybody in. So after the 30 days, we actively turn it off, and then that's your opportunity to come back and say, hey, I want to keep doing it or not. We're not trying to push something onto workshops and capture them or keep them contained into something they don't need. It's purely have a go, have a play. That's the best way to experience it.
A 30-day trial would be really good for a workshop to say, okay, we are learning this, give it to one service advisor and say, okay, just minor services. We want to see what the time frame of turnaround and acceptance is. That's not bad, 30 days.
Yep, enough time to try out a couple of different vehicles. You're not just looking at the 3 that came in that day, but you're getting to look over a full breadth of range, and it gives you a real value proposition. You're understanding this is actually what it's going to do to my business. And again, we're not trying to lock anybody into it because it might not be for some workshops. They're not doing that much service, and that's understandable. But it gives them the opportunity to test it out inside their workshop so they get a real feel for it.